Okay. So map. Map operator. This should start to feel a little familiar, especially the first couple of these. This is the JavaScript implementation of Rx or reactive library. So obviously it's going to be kind of designed and modeled around what we are familiar with as JavaScript developers. So the map operator is one of the top 5 operators that's in use. It's a data stream transformation operator, just like we would with array. And you can see that it's pretty much akin to array.prototype.map, right? Here's our Marvel diagram. So in this case, the map operator is accepting a value, and then it's returning that value multiplied by 10. So it receives 1, it outputs 10, 2, 20, 3, 30. Completion notification, completion notification. Let's take a quick look at that in our sample code here. So containers, power component. Can I just hide this? Yeah, well, hold on, give me one sec. Ooh, that doesn't work. How do I? Oh, that's right, I remember to do this. Let me just full screen this. Okay. So this is our power component in that sample app. This is a smart container, or not a dumb component. So you can see that we're doing some routing. And so here's a real simple. Is this the example I wanted to use? Yeah, I guess. So in this instance, my map operator is receiving both a power and a heroes array, and then I'm going to filter on that heroes array and basically return an array of heroes out of that. So it's a simple transformation operator. I thought there was a better one I wanted to show you. Yeah, here's another kind of really, really simple example. If we're using NGRX, we might have an action that's being dispatched to our store. And in this case, I've got an effect wired up to that action. And I might want to just like map out an object from within. So action is an object that has a property called payload. That's pretty common in NGRX. And so I might want to pluck something out of an object. And there's actually an operator called pluck that does the same thing, but we're not going to talk about that. So pretty simple. We should be pretty familiar with the map operator since we're kind of already using it in array.prototype.